Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $3.0460. Okay, and there is a U pattern forming. After that there is a fall. Chances will be very high that if the price keep moving above this level, a probability of touching a level of 3.13 we can see. And if the price keep moving above that particular zone, chances of crossing a level of 3.38 we can see, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $3.58. Okay, probability is very high that if the price started going above level of 3.64, we can see this level can be sustained and a further upside movement we can see in the price of natural gas. Looking at the dollar index, you have to understand dollar index is continuously on a higher side. As I've already explained you previously that what was happening, that the commodities were inversely related compared to dollar index. Okay, now what was happening, that the crude is also moving upside and natural gas is also moving upside along with dollar index. Okay, so previously what was happening, they were inversely related. Now if you look at this particular trend, they both are increasing in the same direction, so probability will be higher that if the price started going below this level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, there is a clear U pattern is forming, so chances can be high. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of 105.7, and from there a further upside we can see towards 106. And once the price started sustaining above this level, it can cross this level and can move further upside. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of 105, and then it can go below a level of around $104.8, and then from there we can see it can go towards 103.6. Keeping that in mind, that if it started going below a level of 104.9, probability is higher it will go towards 104.5, and if that level move further to, we can see a level of 104. As of now, you have to understand both are crude and the natural gas, both are moving in the same direction. But in order to reduce the uncertainty, always try to set your SL. If you're not setting your SL, your capital can be wiped out. You have to remember this. Okay, and once you start in profit, always try to trail your profit. These two things you can be doing. Okay, now looking at the natural gas, what we can see. Now suppose if the price sustain this level, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Now let's see, suppose if the price sustain, if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards its next level at a level of $3.0759, and from there it can touch a level of 3.1358. Because this level is also being tested, chances are very high it will cross that level, and from there a probability of going towards 3.32, and once started going above this level, a probability of touching a level of 3.4 we can see, and from there a level of 3.6. After 3.4 we can see a level of 3.6, and from there it will cross a level of 3.7, and once the price started going above that particular zone, we can see this gap can be filled after a level of 3.9 to a level of 4.1 and to a level of 4.35. This is the gap, 4.1 and 4.35, and chances are very high that it can go further upside because clear pattern is forming, as I'm telling you, from $2.8. Okay, now if the price didn't sustain, see, because market is always uncertain, I can tell you that the price of natural gas can go further upside, but market is always uncertain. See, like pandemic we have seen, or the thing, pandemics and all we have seen. So you have to understand, by putting your SL you will save the capital, by trailing your SL you will save your profit. See, if you always try to save your percent by 80% your profit, so that if the capital if it comes down also, you have the 80% capital. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $2.927, and from there a probability of touching 2.8. If the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 2.62 we can see. Okay, if that fall, we can see a level of 2.51. Now once the price started falling below that level, we can see a level of $2.38, and then a probability of touching 2.071. Keeping that in mind, a probability will be very high it will move below a level of 1.84 if the price started falling below $2. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.